In today's video, I'm going to teach you Sesame AI versus ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly when to reach for a digital friend and when to lean on a powerhouse collaborator, so your experience feels natural and your results feel right. Let's start with the core philosophy behind each. Both are industry leaders in 2026, but they serve different needs. Sesame AI is built for social intimacy. Think high emotional intelligence, low latency banter, and the feeling that you're talking to someone who gets you. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is a utility engine. It's designed for logic, accuracy, and professional versatility. In simple terms, use Sesame when you want a companion, and use ChatGPT when you need a collaborator. Here's what gives Sesame its human edge. At the heart of it is a conversational speech model. Instead of just reading text, it understands the how of human speech. It weaves in natural pauses, small interjections, and even laughter to keep dialogue fluid and lifelike. Its real-time latency hovers around a couple hundred milliseconds, which means you can interrupt it, and it can interrupt you without that awkward lag. And it builds emotional memory over time, tracking not just facts, but the overall vibe of your relationship across months. So conversations feel continuous and personal. Now, ChatGPT shines in analytical dominance. It's the gold standard for reasoning and complex task management. If you need structured thinking, coding help, mathematical rigor, or scientific analysis, this is where it excels. Its content ecosystem is robust, with tools like a dedicated writing space, search integrations, and data visualization that turn it into a full-stack workspace. The output tends to be polished and organized, so it slots neatly into reports, proposals, or academic work without heavy editing. So how do you decide in the real world? Sesame is perfect for hands-free moments with AI eyewear, role-playing scenarios, language immersion practice, or when you just need to vent and feel heard. ChatGPT is best for drafting reports, troubleshooting code, summarizing large data sets, and structured learning where accuracy and clarity matter. Many people go hybrid, plan the work with ChatGPT, then talk through the execution with Sesame to keep momentum and motivation high. Here's the final verdict. Sesame AI is the pioneer of the voice-first era, personality, speed, and seamless hardware integration for life on the go. ChatGPT is the king of the work-first era, depth, accuracy, and reliability for high-stakes tasks. In 2020s, it isn't about which is better. It's about whether you need a friend or a tool right now. Choose based on context, and you'll get the best of both worlds.